All right, so we are officially 3 days away from Arrmageddon 2024 in Bradenton, Florida at the Freedom Factory. I am packing my bags. I'm packing a few Arrmas. You can see right here, I'm painting up a special body for the event. If you can guess what it is, leave a comment down below. But yeah, I'm packing some RC cars. I'm trying to figure out which ones along with this one that I'm bringing. I'm bringing some drones. I'm bringing cameras. And I'm super excited for the event. It is Horizon Hobby's first signature basher event. It's specifically for Arrma cars. As you saw by the thumbnail, I have a ton of Arrma vehicles as well as all other Horizon Hobby brands. But I'm super excited for this. It is a basher specific event. There's going to be long jumps, high jumps, bashing, speed runs, freestyle events, a two-man race of some sort, an Arrma Grom race of some sort. They are leaving some things up to the imagination, but there is a schedule for the whole event. I'll leave it on the screen right now, but pre-registration is online. If you want to do that now, you can use my promo code down below, 413RC, for $15 off your entry. You'll also get a free t-shirt when you pre-register. But this event is going to start this Thursday at 3 p.m. at the Freedom Factory. We're going to get pre-registrations going there, set up, all that stuff. Then all of the events and everything are going to start Friday and continue on Saturday. And then Sunday is clean up and we all head home. But it's going to be an awesome event. It sounds really cool. There's going to be some RC car YouTubers there from all around the country, I'm pretty sure. Myself, Greg from RC Drivers up here in the Northeast, and I think there's a few locals from Florida going. I'm super excited for that. But yeah, so if you're in the area and you're into RC cars, or you want to know what the event is all about and kind of just show up and spectate, you can do either one. I'm excited to meet everyone there. And yeah, I got to get to work finishing up these projects, packing my bags, and hopefully I don't get stopped by TSA with all these Lipos and drones and all that stuff. Maybe I'll shave the beard.